Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of Jenny Constantino.
Certainly. Miss Constantino, may I kindly request a valid identification card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to verify your reservation. I've confirmed your booking for a deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Very well. May I request you to please complete this registration form?
Of course.
Thank you. How would you prefer to settle your payment?
I will be paying by credit card.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your card? Your payment has been successfully received. Here's your room key, ma'am. You have been assigned to room 305. Please be informed that breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant. And our standard checkout time is at 12 p.m.
Thank you very much.
It is our pleasure. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to call the front desk. We wish you a pleasant stay with us.
Thank you.